Okay. Right now, everybody, you see firstly the table name, right? You see table design. What is this table name is? Catering, right? You can confirm also maintenance. This table name is maintenance. And this table name is cleaning, right? Catering, cleaning and maintenance, right? According to the sheets, table name shows. You see in the cleaning, total over here, right? You can delete this one, right? Well, total no need, delete first. Cleaning total row, right? You can delete the row. Maybe you have more rows are here. Right now you have the same rows. Sometimes you have a different row, maybe more rows, right? More clients. Maybe I put here random all here, right? I put numbers. Okay, sir, I add one more row here. What is my requirement now? I would like to combine, right, all the sheets together. Where I go, click on data tab. You see data in the top, right? You see, sir, get data. You see, sir, here from other sources. You see here blank query. Blank query. From other sources. You see blank query, last one. You click on blank query, you see new window is open, right? That is called Power Query Editor, right? Is okay? Good. You see that it shows the source right here. Which steps I'm doing, all the steps are recorded here, right? So right now I have picked the data, right? Right now I just come give the link, right? How can pick the all tables together? Then I write one formula here, right? That is called DAX formula, not Excel. That is called M language, right? So I put here equal sign, M language, right? Then I put here Excel. You see command is come Excel dot current workbook. You see is equal to Excel dot current workbook. Is it clear? Then brackets, path is start, path is close. Right? Path is start, path is close. And enter. You see my all tables come, right? If you have 20 tables, 20 tables come here, right?
My name is changed.
It's my source. My fourth eye is not with me.
That is start. Two screens. One facing this way, one facing this way.
So I'm just wondering if I'm saying
See.
Is okay, sir? In the 50 tables, quickly pick all the tables, right? So right now I have only 3 tables. You see, when you click here, sir, this space, that data shows are here, right? You see, in this table you have data here, right? You see, sir? If I click here, this data show, right? If I click here, this is cleaning data shows, right? So how many tables I have? 3. You see, sir, what is my query name? You see, this is query 1, right? So I give the query name is Append. Maybe any name, combine, append, right? Export, all data, right? So I put here combined, right? I give the query name here, combined, right? Okay, sir, what happened if this is combined tables coming? So one new sheet is come, right? So all data are clubbed there. Then query again run. So how many tables are there? 4, right? When query is activate, so the new data is coming. So then next time also pick combined table also. But I don't want to pick next time combined table. I pick only my new database only, right? I don't want to pick my summary sheet. I pick only my database. Therefore, I don't want to filter this one, right? First I select this one, copy, Control C. Same spelling copy, right? Go to this name box. You see name. You see here arrows, filter button. You see text filter. You see does not contain. It's okay. Does not contain. One window shows just like filter, right? Before I'm doing the filter, right? Same filter window is open. I just paste Control V, right? Same names come. Okay. Then I click OK. You see, next step is come filter row, right? Okay. Which steps I'm doing? All the steps are recorded. It's clear, no? You see here 2 arrow keys are here. When I move cursor here, you see 2 arrows come like this, right? You click on this arrow, you see my all headings are here, right? Is okay? You can uncheck this option, use original column name as prefix, right? Because otherwise create a text automatically. I don't need. I want to pick actual heading, right? As my database. Therefore, I want to uncheck. Then I click OK. So right now you can check my all data is here. You can move horizontally scroll. You see my all tables names are here. Right? Can I reorder the column? Reorder means you want to move this column to after the outlet. Right? Just and drag it. I just shift. So this is your outlet. Here is name, right? The rest of column is my sales, right? My service charges. The rest of all columns are there. Is it clear? Okay, further, I want to create, if I need a week-wise sales or year-wise sales, right? So this is not fulfill the requirement of pivot tables. I want to pick all weeks, one column, right? all sales amount one column. I need only 4 columns. What is the first column name is? Outlet. What is the next column is? Name. I need third column weeks, right? Well, how can need HIA, right? Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6. Same on this, right? HMC. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, 6, right? So this is called unpivot columns. One command is there, unpivot columns. Which column I want to unpivot? Only week and revenue, right? If I don't move service name here, then this is also unpivot. So therefore I want to select from here, right? W1. I scroll it on the right hand side. You see last column? Shift key hold. Then I click W6. So my all columns are selected, right? You see, sir, firstly I move on the week 1. You see week 1, right? You can do also shift right arrow, right? Shift key hold, then right arrow also, right? Okay, sir? Shift key hold and right arrow you can select. You see, sir, here, this right now you have here home tab, you see here transform. You see here transform. You see here, sir, unpivot columns. Unpivot, click on transform.
Click on transform.
You see, sir, click on transform.
Transform click and click right side.
You see here, sir, unpivot columns. Don't click arrow, right? You directly click here, right? You directly click here, so my columns are shifted, right? So my all weeks move here, right? Just click on pivot columns. Is clear? Automatically I need a 4 column, right? Can I rename this one? This is outlets. This is your services, right? Not name. I just double click on the column. I put the name is services, right? You see this is services. Double click here, note attribute. I put here weeks. You see here value. I put here sales. Just service charges, right? Is okay, sir? I just rename. You see when the rename, the hashtag shows are here, right? Rename columns. Is okay? Up to this one is clear? Okay, further what I am doing now, I can check the data types is good? No, right? What is this data type? When you create column in Excel, you tell us this is the date format, right? This is the comma format. This column is percentage, right? You see here also ABC 1 to 3, right? I click on ABC 1 to 3. The same formatting also shows are here, right? Which I see in home tab Excel, right? In the number group. So I choose here text because this data type is as a text. So that shows ABC, right? This is okay, right? You can tell this is also okay. This sale is not okay, right? Because sale is just number, right? You click on this ABC. You see, sir, whole number. If you're decimal, then put decimal, right? If you don't need decimals, then automatically rounding, right? Then I click on whole number. So right now you see my data is organized now, right? So my all data is clubbed. Is okay? Then I go to home tab. You click on home. You see in home. You see, sir, close and load. You see here close and load. You click here, automatically my all data club and new sheet is come, right? That name is called combined, right? Is it clear? So my all data is combined now, right? No problem. That's easy, right? There are different steps, also recording, right? Recording is available after this. Okay. So you sometimes you not writing all the steps, you can see also video lecture, right? Okay, so right now I go to the previous sheet, Alt tab. I want to pick here wastage sheet. You see wastage? Right click, move and copy. You see create a copy. I go to same, right? Book 1, right? I can choose here book 1. I move here, right? At the end, click OK. I want to copy, right? Because I want to keep also here, right? Okay, sir? I Alt tab again. Can I pick others? Right click. You see, sir, move and copy. You see here create a copy. You see say here book 1, sir. At the end, click OK, right? You can check here. This is the wastage. Table name is wastage. Right? Sometimes table name is not picked accordingly. So you can change, right? Okay, sir? You see again others. This table name is also others. Is okay? This is my combined table here. You see here combined. You can check filter before here. Services. How many services you have here? Only 3, right? You add 2 more sheets, right? Next time you don't need to do same exercise, right, sir? I just click OK. You see here, sir, combine. The query window is coming. You see here refresh. You see here refresh button. You click on refresh, right? Automatically new data is come, right? You see? You see 156 rows that you can check also services. I go to services, you can see others and wastage also come, right? So this is right now total automation, right? You just doing one exercise. After this, no need. If the 50 tables, how much time you take? Otherwise you can do one by one, right? Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. So when new databases come, you quickly done, right? It's okay? Okay, so right now what I'm doing now, I create an interactive dashboard. That is okay right now, right? I want to create a one dashboard reporting. How can create a pivot table? You know, this is also give the query name. What's the query name is combined, right? Do you know how can create a pivot table? Yes. Who tell me? How can insert pivot table? Go to insert. You see pivot table? Firstly move cursor here, right? Anywhere. Which my combined table is here, right? Then I go to insert, right? What is the shortcut key also? Alt and VT, right? Alt and VT. You see pivot table is come, right? What is my table name? Combined. Alt NVT. It's okay, sir? Then I click OK, right? So right now you see the pivot table has come, right? Okay, sir, what I'm doing right now, I want to create here weekly sales, right? I need one table, weekly sales, right? So I click on weeks. So me all weeks has come. Can I click on sales? So my sales has come, right? Is okay? Done? I'm just right click on number. You see number format? You see accounting? Symbols none. 0 decimal, right? And click OK. So my commas are coming, right? Okay, sir, can you tell me right now which report layout right now in front of you? Which form? How many report layouts? 3, right? Compact. Second. Tabular and outline, right? I discussed last time. Report layout, how many report layout? 3, right? Compact form, outline form, tabular form, right? How can go design? You see, sir, design. You can choose here styles also. Right? I can choose from the dark side, this one. My first table is coming, right? I choose firstly from the dark, I choose from the second one, right? You see here report layout. You see the show in tabular form. When I put tabular, my headings clear, right? When I just convert report layout in show in tabular form, automatically yours coming, right? Okay, sir, what further I would like to here create, right? If update database, your column automatically column auto fit, right? When you create a dashboard, so every time your dashboards are disturbed, right? Therefore, I don't want to auto fit column, right? Where I set the column cannot auto fit. How can uncheck? Just right click on this weeks. You see pivotable options. You see, sir, here auto fit column on update. You see this option, right? You can uncheck. Otherwise, every time your dashboard disturbs, right? So therefore, I don't want to auto fit column according to my text. Therefore, uncheck. Then click OK. You give the table name also, right? This is the pivot table. Pivot table name also shows, right? Okay, sir. You how can do this one? If the shortcut key you know, right? You press Alt. You see, sir, here two things are there. You see, pivot table analyze. You see here design, right, sir? If you want to go pivot table analyze, what to press? JT, right? You press here J and T, right, sir? You see here also name, right? What is letter is there? JTA, right? Okay, sir. JTA. Okay, sir. Shortcut key is pivot table name, right? I just click here RJTA, right? Firstly move cursor here, RJTA, right? Because I don't want to show here, therefore I want to go this, right? Otherwise that shows, you click, right? Otherwise go to there, pivot table analyze, I click here, I want to give the name weeks. This table name is week, right? Okay, I give the table name week. Because why I am giving this? Because when you create a dashboard, you easily understand which table, right? If you don't give the table name, you don't identify it. Is it clear? Okay, sir, can you press Control A? Control C. After one row, press enter. So my new pivot table is come, right? Right, sir? I have new pivot table is coming. First table name is weeks, right? I need a second table. I don't need a weeks. I need a outlets. I click on outlets. So my outlet table is ready, right? First time I am doing one exercise. Next time I uncheck the weeks. I just click on outlets. So right now outlets table is ready, right?
But table name will be combined.
Yes, table name also change, right? Go to pivot table analyze, pivot table options. This is pivot table 2, right? To give the name is outlets. It's okay, sir? So right now I just create a new table, right? It's okay? Then you give the pivot table name change also, right? Go to their pivot table analyze, go to this, right? You give the table name is not pivot table 2, right? This pivot table name is outlets. Okay, sir, can I do one more time? Control A, Control C, then I move cursor here, enter. What is last one, sir? Services, right? I click on services, so my services is coming, right?
I will click on the weeks, then it can be added on the same table also.
Yes.
But it will be added on the table which we selected,
Yes.
not the other.
No, it's okay up to this one. I just one move is better, right? It's like this. Okay, sir, can I select up to this area and give the light blue color, right? Light blue area, right? You can reduce the size from here I just take this one, give the same color, right?
Whatever you want. Purple, purple.
I just create a dashboard like this, right? I just
See,
take the
manually painted the.
yeah, manual, right? Yes, huh?
Any color, huh?
Just like cells and just fill color, right? That's it. No, it's as you like, right? As you like, they can go the chart, right?
That's my favorite color.
Is okay, sir?
That's the green.
Done?
Yellow. You said I would work like this. Purple and green. No, purple and
Black and
green.
gold. No, no color, black and gold is one.
And or even like this. Blue and yellow. Okay. If you will get some. When you're working with the basic section, when you put color because we're color coding.
You done with it?
Yes. Of course. That's my working section. That's my price. It's not yours.
Okay, sir, can you select this one? Then go to insert. First is take the weeks, right? Then go to insert. You see here chart, right? 3D stack chart, right? 3D stack chart.
3D structure.
3D, right? Maybe choose this one, maybe choose this one as you like, right? 3D stack chart, right? Any chart you like.
All 3D, huh?
3D column. Yeah, 3D column. Okay, 3D column. Go to insert. Go to this weeks. Weeks. Weeks goes.
It's okay?
3D.
Okay, models.
Yeah. 3D.
Model.
Okay?
I've seen a lot of 3D.
Done? Okay, sir, do you know how can we move these buttons, right? The button is also shows are here. You just right click here, just right click on button. You see hide all buttons on chart.
What? Sorry.
You see,
You will say that it's
yeah. You see the chart, sir?
Yeah, okay.
You see button, sir?
Yeah.
Just right click, sir. You see hide all fields button on the chart.
Hide all field buttons. Yeah.
Okay, sir, can you select this one? All bars,
What was? Yeah.
right? Press Control 1.
Control 1.
Yes. 1. Control 1, the properties come, right? You see, sir, bucket, fill color. KFC bucket.
very hungry now.
You see, sir, vary color by point,
What? Fill color. Yeah.
Feel?
right? Yes. You see fill side, vary color by points.
Very color.
All flavors. All flavors.
Yeah.
This one. Feel with different color.
No, very
Different
bottom.
sauce.
This one.
Last one. Okay. Last one.
Everybody just,
But I also have automatic knowledge.
Yeah, automatic.
No,
Go ahead.
You know the problem?
Maybe it's an old laptop.
Oh, you have to select the bus.
What's this like?
select the what?
Ah.
Select the
Bars.
Yeah.
Then control one. I enjoy this class, no? Control one.
Is okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, the last one, you can go to the last one, series options. You see, last one is series options. You can choose here cylinder, right? The cylinder is coming, right?
Okay, after that, very
You see, sir, there, click on there, right? Series options. You see here, sir, cylinder. Pyramids like this, right? As you like, full cone, right? Is better? No, chart is better, right? Okay, sir, just right click here. Just right click here on the bar. You see sort. You see largest to smallest.
Sort largest to smallest.
So bar is just right.
So yes, smart, largest to smallest. Okay.
Right? Before chart is not good looking. No is better, right? Okay, done. You see, sir, here legends.
If you change the number, it will automatically change.
You see legends?
Yes.
Control 1, right? You see bottom, right? Bar is much better, right?
Bottom.
Bottom.
Bottom
Yes.
next.
Ah,
Okay.
How can you increase font size? Control Shift greater than, right? Control key hold, Shift key hold, greater than sign.
well then,
Control Shift greater than.
Okay, I have a question. They know how to put how to create the greater than, because we're trying to figure out for how many
That's
words
the
are
skill.
Here, after
what was
No, but do you know how to click this?
control shift.
No.
We also no, this one.
No, you key here.
There's a greater.
No, this one, the keyboard is not correct. Look greater here. The greater sign is here.
Sure.
Yes. You press Control Shift.
Command
Yes.
The one similar to your normal keyboard, lower here.
Control Shift.
After
You have here.
This is correct.
No, it's not working.
Then just take around.
But if you're typing in a normal text, okay, if I type greater than,
Not here.
I also cannot type.
This one here.
Shift.
Just control shift.
Shift would be, shift.
Not this one.
Because when working from home, and I'm putting formula, that's what I do.
No, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Done? Good.
Now I know.
Okay, sir. Do you know how can link with my this cell, right? You see chart title link with my cell.
Equal.
First they select the chart title. Go to formula bar. Equal sign. Give the reference of cell, right? Enter.
Dollar B, so it's fixed.
Right? If you change anything, right? If you change anything from here, how can you increase font size? You can do also from here, right? What is shortcut key also? Control Shift greater than, right? Control Shift greater than sign, increase font size, right? Otherwise you can move size there also, right? Do you know, sir, how can show values in thousands? Right now the full value, right? But I want to show values in thousands, millions. Sometimes database very big. The chart shows not good labeling, right? So you want to show in thousands, hundreds, right? How can convert into this one? Firstly, click on y-axis. Press Control 1. You see, sir, here display units. You see here display units. Then I choose here thousands, right? The value shows in thousands, right?
Just click the table.
Select columns. One. Control 1. And this formal access. Then select this.
It is not aligned with the cylinder.
What? First select this. Did you select this y-axis?
W2, W5 is not aligned with the cylinders.
Which one?
It's not aligned with the cylinders.
Because there is a bar, right? The bar is there, there is.
You got this formal access. Then display units.
Is okay, sir? Done? Graph.
Display units.
Can you select, sir, this one? Then go to plus sign here. You see plus sign? You see here grid lines. You click on this arrow key. You see here primary. You see here prime minus. And this is minor vertical, right?
Primary, minor, vertical.
This is, you see, small lines are there, right? The graph is better, right? You see grid lines.
Okay, so we click on
You can select all, right? All options. Now chart is much better as compared to previous, right? Is okay now? So right now I want to, one more things are here, right? I just firstly, I write formula here is equal text. I use formula here is equal to text. Tab. You see right now formula is better, right? Is equal to text, right? I just select this cell. This may get pivot table is coming. I just select the cells. You see again. Equal text tab. Right? Then I click on here, right? I pick this amount, sale amount. Then comma. You see format, right? I double quotes. Then I put 0, 0. right? 0, comma 0. Then put one more comma, double quote close, bracket close, right? You just click on this number, right? Automatically this cell is coming, right? Formula is coming. Then comma, then double quotes. 0, comma 0 means comma format. First comma for thousands, right? If you want to put comma again, millions, right? I want to put here the last comma that shows in thousands, right? You don't put here the value shows full amount, but I want to show values in thousands, right? So therefore I want to put 0, comma 0, then comma, right? If you don't put comma, what happens you can see, right? Press enter, the value shows like this, right? Even double click here, if I put a comma again, that shows values in thousands, right? If you want to put one more, then millions. Is okay, sir? Okay, why I need this one? Because I want to show here also, right? I want to show the same amount in the chart, right? Total sales, I want to show weekly, how much total sales I want to show in the chart also. Then I go to insert, go to shapes, you see sir here flow chart shape, flow chart shape, right? Then I can draw here, right? Is okay? Do you know, sir, how can link shape with sales? Right? How to link shape with cell, right? Same before I'm doing for chart title, right? This is my shape. I want to pick this amount, right? This amount, pick here, right? I go to formula bar, equal sign, give the reference of this cell, enter. So that amount shows are here, right? Then I go to home tab, text color is white and bold, bigger size, right? Then I go to shape outline, no outline, shape effect, piece set, like this. Now is better?
There's a lot of buttons in here, so.
I can see it's got
Pick this. No, here. Should be somewhere there. Pick this one. Because there's a lot of buttons.
Go to inside. You see shape? That is required. Your more shows are there.
Glow, yeah, put inside.
Glow.
Animation. You can put animation also. But you can put animation also.
What?
Animation.
So it's clear? So that is the beauty of this dashboard, right? When you create a slicer, right? Then you can put buttons, filter, amount change, your also amount change, right? This link, right? So that shows according to your chart, amounts also change. Okay. I will show later. This is I'm doing one inside. Okay. Because I want to add one more. Random one. You don't want to add. Because I want to add one more.
Same change the button is here, it's there in the first.
So like this full zero,
Inside the
You can do it. Because right, you show thousand. Next year, your neighbor is helping you. Is okay, no? This one? Up to this one is clear? Okay, sir, right now, I click here, outlet. Right, sir? This one finished, right? I go to outlet. Then I go to insert. You see here pie chart. You see 3D pie chart. You click on 3D pie chart. You see, sir, this legend, right? No need, right? Delete. You see button is there, right? Right click, hide all buttons on chart. All buttons on chart, right? Can I create link, right? Chart title, where go? Formula bar, equal sign, click on outlet, enter, right? Then I can bold, right? Okay, can you go to design? You see in the top the design. You see here this type. According to color, right? Your outlet shows, right? You see, sir, first is select on this chart title, chart area. You see design in the top. You see style. There are different style, right? Like this, like this, like this, right? Which style you like, right? You can choose any style. I choose this one, right? Okay, can I select this one, sir? My labels. I want to show values also, right? In percentage, right? I want to show percentage values also. What I'm doing, control 1, right? You see here, sir, percentage. So that shows percentage also, right? Is okay, sir? No is better, right? I click one more time here, right? If I click one more time, then I can scroll, right? Like this. I just move here, this one go there, arrows. Just move outside, right? You see leader lines come, right? I just move here, move cursor here, right? I just move cursor here, right? I just move cursor here, right? No chart is better. I click this area. This is called plot area, right? If I click on the chart area, this is our chart area here, right? If I click inside, this is the plot area. Sometimes these values are touch your title, right? So you want to move cursor here down, right? Little bit you can settle. No is better, right? Then I reduce size here. Then I move cursor here, right? Then you can outlet move outside, right? Here. No, it's okay. So I like this, right? Can you do, sir, on services here? This is my services, right? Right now I want to create here, sir, bar chart, right? Okay, I want to create here bar chart. How can create a bar chart? Go to insert. You see here bar, column chart. You see here, sir, 3D stack bar. 3D bar also maybe you can choose, right? You see bar is coming. Okay, so firstly you can do, your numbers are there, right? This is your scales. Scales are there, right? You double click on scales. Then value shows in thousands. You see value shows in thousands. Right? You can do firstly format, right? Control 1. You see display units here? Down. Is okay? Done? Then after formatting, then I can delete, right? After formatting, you can delete this x-axis, right? I can delete. Okay, sir, can it give the different colors also?
What was that?
Yes, go there, vary color by points, right? You see, sir, this color is there. No need legends, right? Delete.
What is that color?
The same thing, the very color circle.
KFC bucket, 40% off. So just right click here, you see data labels, right? The value shows in front of this, right? Control 1. You click on label. Then I give the color white, right? Because you can change position. You can move yourself. It is there, but it's the position you can change. Just enter that. No, it's clear up to this one. Okay, sir, right now, I just move cursor here, right? I want to fit there. So right now you have like this, right? No, it's better. So I am working on it right now. Okay, sir, right now I want to create here buttons, right? If I click the buttons, right, my chart change, right? Then I can select from here. I click here anywhere. You go to pivot table analyze. You see in the pivot table analyze in the top. You see, sir, insert slicer. I choose slicer here at outlet, services, weeks, right? I choose all slicer together. You see, sir, outlets, services, weeks. Right? Click OK. So I have 3 slicers come, right? It's okay. How many slicers you have? 3, right? I click on first slicer. You see in the slicer tabs are active, right? On the right hand side, slicers. On the top, right? You see how many columns? 1. How many columns you want? 2. I click on this arrow. So my week shifted 2 columns, right? You see slicer, top. You give the number. Then I go to styles. I choose the styles, right? Blue. You see here, styles. I want to change caption also, right? You see, select week, right? I want to write here, select week. But right now I want to weeks, right? You see caption is there, right? On the left side. I just delete here. I can type select week. To make captions are here, right? Select week. Then I move here, right? You can do again here, right?
We can't match the properties.
Hmm?
We can't match the properties.
No. Then I choose style orange, right? Also, you can select this slicer, first one. Okay, you select the first slicer. Right click. You see, sir, here report connection. Report connection. You see, sir, I have 3 tables, right?
Yes.
Outlets, and this I don't give the name, right? Therefore, it don't show, right? Right, sir? Otherwise, I want to give the name, then pick, right? Services. Then click OK. You can do here, right? Also, outlets, right click, report connection. This, right? You click on services, right? Right click, report connection, link here, click OK. It's okay, sir? Can I click on HIA to make charts change, right? My all charts change, right? If I click on Musharraf, then my amount also change, you see. Is okay? If I click on here cleaning, right? That shows only cleaning, right? I want to see week 2, week 4, right? I click firstly week 1, shift key hold, click week 4. That shows week 1 to week 4, right? If you want to clear filter from here, clear, right? So that is your totally interactive dashboard, right? What I am doing further now, this one you can move, not here, right? You can move here, maybe. Okay, sir, can you create here 2-3 rows blank? I want to create a row, right? Alt IR, then you press here Control Y, right? Then I go to insert, shapes. I pick here any shape here. I draw in the top. Then give the colors. Then I go to shape outline, no outline. Shape effect, bevel. So this is my title, right? Title of my dashboard, right? Okay, I just click here. I press enter only. I press enter only, my cursor come, right, for the typing. Right? No need to right click, edit text, right? Otherwise what I am doing, right click and edit text. I just click the shape, press enter only. Then I put here, sir, dashboard of services, right? Dashboard of services. Then you go home tab, center, not center, here is left, but here is center cell, right? Then bold. Then I can increase size. I change the font style here, impact. Impact are another one, right? Agency FB. Dashboard of services, right? Okay, miss? I just press here tab, 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 tab. You put here 26. You just type here 26. You just select 26 only. Just select 26. Then go to font style. You can type here Webdings. Webdings.
For the symbols.
Yes. Right? Press enter. You see report like this, right? 26 is the sign of report and down, right? Just select 26, right? Just 26. Then change the font style, Webdings. Done? Right now is beautician work, right? Is okay. Then go to insert again. Go to again insert. You see, sir, here icons. You see icons? So icons is coming, right? Then I choose here this, right? This arrow. Choose this one, right? Then can choose mind, right? Then I select the different icons, right? Which signs I want to use.
Second row. First column, second. Compare it.
Maybe can I write here? Anyone you can pick, right, from here. You can insert.
We don't have any date. We don't have any date.
I can select this one. Then I move cursor here, right? Shape, fill, color, graph, white, right? Go to again home tab. 2 times click and move here. Here. Then press escape. I just move, right? Is okay, sir? Meeting right now, right? No, it's better? No? Any sign. Computation work, right? None this. Okay, you are doing very good work, right? Okay, what I'm doing further, I go to previous sheet, I pick others, next one also, right? Alt tab, I go to pick miscellaneous, right click, move and copy, create a copy, go to book 1, I click on here, right? I add one more table here, right? I go to combined, just right click here, you see refresh also from here, right? This is updated now. You can check your dashboard also update, right? Just right click here, refresh, right?
All tables will be updated.
Yes, you see? Graph also update.
This is possible only the same structure, right? The table has the same structure.
Yes.
That's a condition. You don't get such a table.
Yeah, this is like
This is a
once in a blue moon. At least The three of them. Please move here. Move on to this. Sorry, move here. There's a small room. There's no one. Get out from there. Get that way.
Okay, sir, when you update, right? When you update a new database, right? Automatically your all charts are changed also, right? Okay. What is doing further? You want to go more good looking, right? Firstly, you can go view tab. You want to gray line off, right? You can use gray line off from the back side. Okay, right now I'm select from the back side. I select up from the back side up to this one, right? Copy, right? Control C. Okay, sir? You can copy. You maybe came here, right? Cursor here. Maybe you can create a new sheet also. You can do also here, right? Just move cursor here. Then go to paste option. You see link picture? Link picture. You see right now this is your as object, right? You see the link picture here right now? This is my object, right? If you change the style, you can change the style from here, right? Like this. You create dashboard like this. You create dashboard like this. You create dashboard like this. It's okay, sir? So this is one dashboard here, right?
How I can get it on the full screen?
Yes. If I click here, this also change, right?
I want to put it full screen.
I will show in the full screen also, right? In the PowerPoint.
In the
The PowerPoint.
Paste link pictures.
now I know.
More simple. Not go there. You go there. See link picture. No, it's clear, sir. Up to this one is clear, no? Or if I would like to as a picture, I can select this one from the back side again. I just copy, Control C, I press window key, then press paintbrush. Right? I want to go to the paintbrush.
Then I can use handy tool also.
I show, right? Just PowerPoint also, right?
You think I can?
I open paintbrush. I press Control V. You see same, right?
Yeah.
It is interactive.
Yes, not interactive. It is not interactive. You can move from cursor here, right? Up to this one. Then go to File. Save as a JPG file. Right? Then I go to vendor mall, right?
Wow. That's part of service. Now I'm just ready to prepare presentations.
Dashboard, right?
Procurement.
Procurement.
Okay, sir, if you want to paste this one also, PowerPoint,
Now I have the general.
if I go to PowerPoint, if you can change in Excel, right? PowerPoint also change,
Yeah, that's we can do.
right? How can do here, right? I just take this one, delete, right? This may Excel, right? I go to there. I don't want to go simple paste. Go to paste or paste special, right? I click on paste special. Then I go to paste link, right? Paste special, paste link, right? You see paste link, Microsoft as object, right? Then I click OK. If my chart Excel change, also chart also change in PowerPoint. Otherwise you can again copy paste, right? No need, right? You can Excel changes here, also change here. You see right now? You can show full screen,
Now I can.
no can show, right?
This one is.
Okay, sir. If I go in Excel, even click here, HIA, my chart change here, right?
Yeah.
Then I go to PowerPoint. You see right click here, update link, right?
Ah, you have to update.
So this chart also change here, right? That's it. Okay, this is the beauty of this, right? Done, sir?
Already done by property. Memory is full, sir.
So this is automatically changed also here, right?